Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put number 1 go to the right. This one we change dy over dx. Next, dx I will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one we have y. The integration of number 1 we have negative x. Now we just consider about this one. Next, we need to use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2x dx dv. We have e to the power of x dx. The integration of this one we have v equals to e to the power of x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have number 2, and we have the integration s e to the power over of x dx. Now this one we change by x, and you got dx. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have s e to the power of x minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of x dx. This one we have e to the power of x, and I will put about c. Now we turn back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.